guys, what's up with a new video? And today we're gonna open up Yoda's hut from The Last Jedi.
No, it's not The Last Jedi.
Oh, wait, what? Solo?
No. Look at the box. It has Luke Skywalker.
Oh yeah.
Empire Strikes Back.
Oh yeah.
Yep. Okay, continue.
The front of the box says Yoda's hut. And there's a piece I wanted so much. And it's that piece. I really wanted it. And we can see smoke coming out. It comes with 3 minifigures. Yoda, Luke Skywalker, and R2-D2. The back of the box, says you can do the if you press down that lever, he goes flying. If you press that down, he goes flying. And also, oh yeah, these can extend. And then we have the side of the box picture, Star Wars logo, and Lego logo. And also on the front of the box, I forgot, it's ages 7 to 12, and it have 229 pieces. The top of the
And this is set number 75208.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so I think we're done with the intro.
No.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. And there's Yoda right there.
Yeah, that's his actual size.
Yeah.
Anything else?
Star Wars logo, Lego logo. Wait, bottom for last. Picture of Yoda.
You already did that.
Oh yeah.
What about this side? What's
a bunch of words we don't care about, and kids under we can build it. The set number, it's made by Disney, and the Lego logo.
okay?
The
Are you ready
bottom
to?
of the box.
We still.
Lego Life, Star Wars logo, Lego logo. Words we don't care about in the barcode.
Yeah. Okay. So now can we open it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Let's get started. Got scissors. Let's open it.
Just
See.
so.
Boom. Okay, throw that
It
away.
has back one, back two,
And one instruction.
yeah, one instruction booklet.
Okay. Let's begin. Okay, so we just finished with everything just now, and let me show you all the minifigures first. So here is Max. As you can see, he has a Yoda face. Hey Max, wave hi. See? He's pretty cool, right?
I'm not Yoda.
Wait, you're not Yoda?
No.
Then- Okay, so here's Yoda. He has focus. Okay, well, you guys get the picture. Yeah, he's pretty green. And then here's his ears, and then On the top has some wrinkles like an old guy. And then on the back, here's his hair. And then he has some back printing.
And
Oh, my
it's
iPad doesn't want to focus today.
yeah.
Okay.
Mine
And then
does
right here,
have
and right here, he has his little flute right there. So that's pretty cool. So that's Yoda. Then next, we have R2-D2, which is pretty cool. He's a new piece. He's all dirty and scuffed up.
Yeah.
Maybe if you do it far away, there it is. And then here it is, turn around and everything.
There's no back.
Yeah. Yeah,
Or
no back printing.
opening face.
And then here is Luke Skywalker. If we turn him around. Okay, so yeah, he has a little bit of back printing. Yeah, let's take this off.
What?
Take this off.
It doesn't want to come on.
Okay, there it is. And then this little piece right here. Here, wait, let me push it back
That
down.
little piece.
Wait, and then here's what? Ah! No! Max, look cute. Will I get this piece? Okay, so there's one of his heads, one of his faces. And then here's the other. And then when you put his hair on and everything, you put Yoda on his back with the whacking stick.
I thought it was.
And then he runs.
Yeah.
And then here's a little red snake you get. Okay. Now here, oh wait, let's show all the extra
me back to
pieces.
your. Bring me back.
So
to
here
mine,
are all the extra pieces you get right there. So don't worry if you didn't use these. They are just extra pieces. And then right here is Yoda's hut, the actual set. So let me bring this right here.
Can I do all of the play features and stuff?
Sure.
And then there's a big Mac thing.
Okay, so here are all the play features. I'm just gonna do it, okay? Okay, so here you put Mr. Oh, that's Yoda, Mr. Luke Skywalker. I was gonna even say Mr. Yoda. And then you push this down. Oh wait, but then he also has to be holding on to this.
Yeah, or else he will fall.
He's just gonna fall off.
He will fall on his face.
Yay! And then he just falls. Okay, so then when you push this down, watch what happens. Got him! And then he's just hanging there until a Wookiee eats him. Okay.
I could just swim up there.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, here's a little cauldron. Right here, a little bucket. And then right here inside, look. Oh, look at that. So there's a little gem on the top. And then you got Yoda's bed. And where's the carrot? What happened to the carrot?
What carrot?
The carrot!
Where's
It's gone!
Carrot!
Oh my God. I see the carrot. There it is. Here's the carrot. It goes right next to Yoda's bed if he's hungry. Bye-bye, carrot.
Bad or 2D.
And then this little, and then you see that little hanger above the fire? Nope. Go away. Okay, so that, actually, you can put this on like that, and boom. It warms up your soup or whatever you're making. Yoda's bed can, oh yeah, see? You can hide something underneath, and then it goes back down. Here, actually, I'm going to do it from here. See? Boop. And then there's Yoda's bed. Crystal right up there. And then there is the little training thing. Luke Skywalker, you can... Oh, and here's a window. And Luke Skywalker can be pretending he's like using the Force. And this box is lifting. And also, if you want to move this box around, you can. You can just put this anywhere. And then right here, he can float and hold his hand. Here, give me Luke Skywalker. What are you doing?
I'm making
This kid, look, he's like freaking making Harry Potter. This isn't a Harry Potter video.
No, I'm making
What? What are you
I'm
making?
making a fishing stick.
Okay, well yeah, so he can do that. And then and he pulled the ground off the floor. Okay. And then these can go back like this and like this. And then you got the front.
Can I give me?
And then here's some vines. Look, there's a window. No window here. There's the little chimney right there. And then also on the back, you can take this out. You can put it in front. Right there. There's a little hole for it. And next, give me Yoda. Stop doing the fishing pole. And if Yoda is like, if in the movies, like, he's all mad, he was like, get out of my house. And then he uses the force. Ah! And there we go. So that is Yoda's hut. What? Oh my god, this kid. Let's do it here. Put it on Yoda. See, with all the extra pieces, if you have a mind like Max, you can make whatever you want. Like a fishing pole. Like a fishing rod. Look at this kid. This kid made a fishing rod. There's Max for you. Okay. Well, yeah. Max, you want to do the outro? I'm just going to quickly say bye-bye. Okay, now, Max, you do the outro. So say thanks so much for watching, you know.
Bye, thanks for watching. Peace to the out.